Hello friends, welcome back to Abby's Tech Channel. This is Abby's and you're watching Abby's Tech Channel. So in this video we are going to see the Vechain cryptocurrency's price prediction. What's the change occur in the price of the Vechain crypto in the previous last 1 hour, in the previous last 2 hour. What's the price change? What's the high price of Vechain crypto in the last 1 hour? So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please hit the subscribe button. And if you listen my voice and you can't subscribe my channel, so it's absolutely bad news for me. It's absolutely bad talk for me. Why are you not supporting me? Please kindly support me because I need your support. I will update you every hour from the Vechain crypto and more cryptocurrencies news and updates. So let's see the live price prediction of Vechain crypto. What's the price change occur in the Vechain in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hour? First of all, we see the last 1 hour change of Vechain crypto in the last 1 hour. Oh my god, it's absolutely good news for all Vechain holders, as you can see here. But if we look the chart analysis of Vechain crypto, so it still us that they fast down, but they again start jumping upward, as you can see the chart of the stellar XNM. But we look the chart, the average level of stellar Vechain crypto average level is about at this point, as you can see here. If we look now the current level of the stellar XNM, so it's have a distance, as you can see on the screen of ABS Tech channel. So now currently if we look the changes of Vechain crypto, so the changes is about negative 0.39% occur in stellar XNM. Also you should see the change on the graph of stellar XNM. As you can see the change is about as you can see here, the change is about this, as you can see here, approximately 3-5 centimeter change occur in this line. As you can see here, the average level they are below the average level of Vechain crypto, so it's not a jumping. We can't say that is a jumping, that is the average level. They falls in the average level of stellar XNM. As we let's suppose that is the average level of stellar Vechain crypto, and now the currently level of the Vechain crypto is about in this position, as you can see here, as about in this position. So we can't say that it is a jumping of a Vechain crypto. We can't say, because they are also falls in the average level of Vechain crypto, which is the previous level of Vechain crypto. And now that is absolutely bad news for all Vechain holders, as we can see the average level of the Vechain crypto. So average level they are fast down in the average level of the Vechain crypto. So now if you look the changes of the Vechain crypto, so the changes is about negative 0.39% occur, and the high price of Vechain crypto is about $0.092305 is the high price of Vechain crypto in the previous last 1 hour. So that's the last 1 hour change. Now let's see what's occurred in the last 2 hour. What change occurs in the last 2 hour of the Vechain crypto. It's loading, so kindly if you don't subscribe my channel, click the subscribe button now and support me. I will update you this kind of news, this kind of updates I will share with you. And because I'm also a holder of Vechain crypto, Cardano holders, I'm also a holder of minimum cryptocurrencies I hold now currently. So this is why I update you every hour. As you can see the last 2 hour result of Vechain crypto, which is you can see on this on your eyes on the screen of FBS Tech channel. So if we look the chart analysis of Vechain crypto, so it's in fall. I think it's in fall. It's not a jumping period of. If you look this line, if you look this line, and you understand that it's a jumping period of Vechain crypto, you are happy, so you are wrong. You are wrong. Why you are wrong? Let's explain me. As you can see here, that is the average level of Vechain crypto. That is, I'm talking about the last 2 hour result of the Vechain crypto. That is the average level of Vechain crypto. Now if we look the currently level of the Vechain crypto on the graph, so the currently level of the Vechain crypto is about in this position, as you can see here, as about in this position. That is the currently level of. Now as at this point you look the average level, as you can see here the changes you look on the graph, the changes is about you can see here the changes is about in this position. As you can see here, it's really a big change in the Vechain crypto. The average level change in the Vechain crypto, it's really a good. We can't say that and now currently they are jumping, so we can't say that is a jumping of Vechain crypto. We can't say, because the average, they are also fast down in the average level of Vechain crypto in the previous 2 hours. So that's really bad news for all Vechain holders, as this kind of Vechain holders fast down, and after a great fast down they take a small jump. So it's a last 2 hour result you are watching. That's the last 2 hour. So if the Vechain crypto fast down every hour, so think about that. What change occur in the Vechain crypto in the previous 2 hour? What change occur in the last 3 days, in the last 4 days? If this kind of small changes occur in the every hour of Vechain crypto, so it's absolutely the average of Vechain crypto is in negative. As you can see here, the changes as a negative. Negative 0.35% change occur in a Vechain crypto. So it's absolutely bad news for all Vechain holders which hold Vechain crypto at this time. So please share your opinion. What should I do at this period of Vechain crypto? Please share your opinion. My suggestion to sell it and be safe from loss. If they are not jumping in the average level of Vechain crypto in the previous 2 hours, they also falls from the average level of every hour. They fast down. So it's absolutely bad news for all Vechain holders. So my suggestion to sell it and be safe from loss. What's your suggestion? Please share in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.